हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू असा एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं पार्ट 2 कॉम्पोजिशन 82 का, यानी एक्सरसाइज हमारी 82 है, उसका पार्ट 2 है। रेडन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से, और चैप्टर है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। हमने पिछले वाले उस पार्ट में 26 तक सेंटेंसेस किए थे, अब हम उसके आगे के कर रहे हैं। सस्पिशन ऑलवेज हॉन्ट्स द माइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु इज गिल्टी। सस्पिशन always haunts the mind of a guilty person. He went to Ooty so that he might improve his health. He went to Ooty to improve his health. A book in which were pictures of animals were presented to him by his uncle. A book containing pictures of animals was presented to him by his uncle. When Caesar saw Brutus among the assassins, he covered his face with his gown. Seeing Brutus among the assassins, he covered his face with his gown. John Bright once said that the safest place in England was a first-class carriage in an express train. John Bright once spoke of a first-class carriage in an express train as the safest place in England. The question is so complicated that it cannot be settled immediately. Question is too complicated to be settled immediately. Had he been absent, the motion would have been carried. But for his absence, the motion would have been carried. The passage is so difficult that I cannot comprehend it. The passage is too difficult for me to comprehend. We must do the work as well as we can. We must do the work to the best of our ability. Although they fought most valiantly, they were defeated. In spite of their most valiant fight, they were defeated. If he wins the battle, he will be crowned. In the event of his winning the battle, he will be crowned. I wish to know the time when he died. I wish to know the time of his death. Those soldiers who survived have received medals. The surviving soldiers have received medals. This is a machine which is used for sewing. This is a sewing machine. He seemed very anxious that we should come. Seemed very anxious for us to come. The priest was satisfied when he offered the money. The priests were satisfied with his offer of the money. You must be hungry if you have not dined. You must be hungry in the event of your not having dined. It is time you went. It is time for you to go. It is lucky that he came just then. Luckily, he came just then. It is certain that he will help you. He is certain to help you. Or you can write, he will certainly help you. You must write to me as soon as you reach Mumbai. You must write to me immediately on reaching Mumbai. He gave away some books which belonged to his brother. He gave away some books belonging to his brother. Can you tell me the name of the person who wrote the book? Can you tell me the name of the author of the book? It is said he died by his own hand. He is said to have died by his own hand. While my parents are absent, I cannot come. I cannot come in my parents' absence. The sum is so hard that I cannot do it. The sum is too hard for me to do. As one man fell, another took his place. One man falling, another took his place. Work hard as you can. Work as hard as possible. Drink while you may. Drink while possible. Such a man as he should succeed. A man like him should succeed. The police know this from information which has been received by them. The police know this from information received by them. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए. असा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में.